Hello teacher and everyone, my name is Chrissy Medina and in this video I am going to be talking about my next vacation plans. On my next vacation, I am going to travel to Santa Marta with my family. It is a plan that I have made for my next vacation. I love going to the beach and spending time with people I love the most. I am going to spend 1 week there. I am going to go to the beach, then I am going to visit the new stadium and see some soccer matches. I am also going to visit Tyrone's Park in Santa Marta. It is a great place for me to visit on vacation because I can distract myself watching the animals and enjoying the environment. Besides, I am going to go to La Sierra Nevada, and there I am going to talk with people who live there and ask them some questions about La Sierra Nevada. I am going to eat a lot of seafood. I love it so much. Then I am going to go for a walk at Simon Bolivar's Park, which is very famous. At that park there is a big statue, so I'm going to take some pictures with it. And finally, I am going to spend the night in a 5-star hotel that has a swimming pool and a big disco bar. Below you can see, I'm sure I'm going to have a great time there. Here, below the text, below the paragraph, you can see some pictures about how I picture myself in Santa Marta. I'm going to play at the beach, I'm going to see the new stadium, I'm going to spend the night in a hotel, and I'm going to eat a lot of seafood. Okay, it's been all teacher, thank you very much. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye bye.